Hello everyone, I am Prasad and I am today presenting the AI photography coach which I implemented as part of the Capstone project for the 5-day AI agents intensive course with Google. The problem I am trying to solve is regarding the learning for photographers where they face challenges concerning the generic tutorials which don't address specific images. The forums are also slow and inconsistent, and the coaches are very expensive and they don't scale, and the rack systems can't analyze the photos or remember the context. To solve this challenge, I came up with this multi-agent architecture where the Vision agent analyzes the photos and the EXIF data, the Gemini Vision for composition issues, and then the knowledge agent provides the personalized coaching responses, and Gemini Flash with conversation history. And then the orchestrator agent is managing this whole interaction and also the session memory coordination. At a high level, this is the architecture where the orchestrator agent is managing the communication, right? And then the vision agent and knowledge agent are doing their specific work. So instead of a generic LLM, this is a dynamic system of specific specialized agent doing their task. Let's jump into the demo. You do need Gemini key. I'm using my Gemini API key. Let's quickly upload an image. So as you can see that the vision agent pulled EXIF data. Now let's try this command or prompt for the coach. Let's see what the coach says. So as you can see, the coach is responding with a certain criteria's evaluation for the image and also giving some tips for exercise to improving your photography skills. Let's ask a follow-up question. So the idea here is that the session maintenance is happening here. As you can see, it is remembering the session and the image in discussion. So yes, as you can see, this is a good way to get a photography coaching from an AI agentic system. I hope you liked it. This is the GitHub repo. It is available publicly, and the stack you can check. There is the architecture review here. The technical stack is also listed. So this is how it was built. Again, thank you so much for your time, and I hope you liked it.